we're giving away some awesome Topo Designs gear. Check it out with the link down below. Prime Day starts today and goes through October 8th, and it is a great time to stock up on travel gear. We asked some of our favorite brands what'll be on sale, and this video covers some products we think are worth grabbing. We'll also be updating our Amazon list as new deals appear, so check that out at the link in the description below. If you prefer shopping directly with a brand, some are offering these same deals on their websites. Let's check out the gear. We're kicking things off with one of our favorite budget-friendly travel backpacks. It's a great value even before the Prime Day discount kicks in. TomToc's 40-liter Navigator T66 packs a lot of organization into a comfortable bag that costs less than $90 before any discounts. When you're traveling, there's an easily accessible top pocket for your phone, wallet, and passport. Meanwhile, use the large front pocket for things you want to reach at the gate, like a battery bank, snacks, and an e-reader. As for larger tech, you can fit up to a 17-inch laptop, a tablet, and tech accessories in the rear compartment. That area unzips to lie flat and also gives you quick access to the main compartment. Or get your clothing through a duffel-like opening on the front, which is how we prefer to load our gear. We don't love that the bag gets a little saggy if it's not packed full, but the compression straps help make it look less bulky. Plus, the well-padded breathable harness system is super comfortable even when you have to carry it for blocks on end to get to your hotel or resort. You can snag a deal on the Transit Workpack Pro, which is great for everyday carry and weekend trips. Plus, Bellroy is giving 20% off select styles and colorways on their gear for Prime Day. This bag's 22-liter capacity works well as a small carry-on or personal item bag without feeling like you're wearing a travel backpack to work. There's a lot of places to stow your gear, from a pocket that fits a travel umbrella to a smaller pocket for small accessories, including a leash for keys. A top pocket on the front is organized like an admin panel with a zippered mesh pocket to keep sunglasses out of the crush zone, and slip pockets for a wallet or passport and pens. This pocket is also deep enough to stash a tablet or Bluetooth keyboard, and there's space for the rest of your tech accessories in the laptop compartment along the back. We've also used that shelf to store a 3-1-1 bag since it's easily accessible. Just make sure that it's well sealed because you don't want any liquids dripping onto your computer. The main compartment opens wide for easy packing and includes stretchy straps to hold packing cubes or clothing in place that lie flat against the back panel when you don't need them. There's another large mesh zipper pocket in here too, which you can stuff with tech or toiletries, whichever you didn't put in the other pockets. With all that flexibility, this bag is great if you want something that can work for multiple travel needs instead of just waiting for the next trip, especially if you get it on sale. NOMATIC is one of the brands that we've confirmed they're putting their gear for sale on their own site as well as on Amazon for Prime Day. If you're looking for a durable camera backpack, you might want to check this one out. Shutterbugs will love this clever design and organization, which is very structured to protect expensive camera gear. The 25-liter capacity is best suited for everyday use and lighter camera setups, which is what most of us bring along on a trip. Get inside through the top or the fully clamshell back panel depending on what gear you need to access. We like using the ladder system to tailor the main compartment. The top area is great for clothing and toiletries, and the rest of the bag gets dialed in even further with accessory dividers and compatible camera cubes or dividers. There are 4 mesh pockets along the back panel for SD cards, small battery banks, and cleaning tools. Plus, the bag's water-resistant tarpaulin exterior keeps moisture from getting inside. It has a thickly padded harness system and back panel, making it comfortable to carry even when fully loaded. While there aren't any quick grab pockets on the outside, there are side pockets that you can fold out to hold a water bottle or a tripod, so you can be ready to take a steady shot of the sunset. You can get discounts and bundles for travel gear from EPICKA, this video's sponsor. It's a great time to stock up since you'll likely need packing cubes and travel adapters wherever you travel. EPICKA is one of the top universal travel adapter brands in the US, with different styles to suit every traveler. The Pulse 45-watt universal travel adapter uses JN technology to help you power up fast, with 45-watt sustained quick charging that can get an iPhone 17 up to 50% in 20 minutes when charging at 40-watt speed. It has 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, plus a universal AC socket on the front for plugging in tech like a wall charger. That means you can power up to 5 devices at once, from smartphones to tablets and more, in over 200 countries and regions. Simply push out the prongs for the region you're visiting, lock them into place, and secure the adapter in the outlet so you can power up anywhere. There's also 2 built-in spare fuses, safety shutters to prevent accidental insertion of foreign objects, and other security features for peace of mind when charging overnight. You'll also want to pick up a set of 4 or 6 TripCozy compression packing cubes to organize your travel bag. The mesh fronts help you see what's inside, and the carry handles give you a convenient grab point when loading or unloading your bag. Plus, the sides stay upright when they're not compressed, so you can even use them for in-drawer organization at your hotel or Airbnb. Their water-resistant material feels durable enough to handle countless trips and includes an antibacterial lining to keep your clothing fresh, even in humid locations. We also like the color-coded SBS zippers, which help you tell the compression zippers apart. When it's time to load your bag, they collapse the cubes from 5.1 to 2.8 inches to help you pack more without wasting space in your travel backpack. EPICKA is running special Amazon Prime discounts on their travel essentials during the Big Deal Days sale. The savings start at 15% off. The deal is applied automatically, so use the link down in the description below to save on EPICKA gear. On days you don't have much to carry, keep it simple. The tomtoc Aviator T33 has space for the essentials, and it keeps a small footprint too. Thanks to its broad strap, this ripstop nylon 1.5-liter sling is lightweight and comfortable. The strap buckle's placement means it won't dig into your spine if you pair it with a backpack, and the adjuster is flat enough that it never feels bulky next to such a tiny bag. Use the pocket for a snack, wallet, or standard-sized phone, and stick your passport and other travel documents in the back pocket. Using the space for flat gear is key to keeping it from poking into your body, so we don't recommend tossing wall chargers or battery banks in this spot. There's space for that gear in the larger compartment. It includes a liner pocket along the back for something flat, like a phone, a middle section that can hold your everyday tech or sunglasses, and a zippered mesh pocket for small accessories like dongles, adapters, or even an SD card that could get lost elsewhere. If you usually need a smaller sling but occasionally need more space, go for one with an expandable design. The NOMATIC Navigator sling goes from 1 liters to 3 with a simple unzip. A hidden pocket on the back opens on either side, giving you enough space to slide in a water bottle, a packable jacket, or gloves. Since it's on the back, all that extra bulk stays closer to your body, keeping the sling from sagging forward too much. Also, if you want to tuck something more essential inside, like your passport or extra cash, it's more secure resting up against your body than it would be on the front. There's a pocket on the front too, which includes mesh pockets to hold things like a battery bank and a cord, and there's space in the main compartment for your phone, wallet, and earbuds. There's even a pen holder so you can be ready to fill out forms at customs or your menu at the food truck. And it's all wrapped up in durable, water-resistant materials. The padded back panel keeps things from poking you through the bag, and the strap is broad enough to spread the weight of the bag on your shoulder. If you like to blend aesthetics and functionality, look no further than Troubadour goods. The Apex Backpack 3.0 has a premium build and plenty of space for gear. On top of that, it is easy to load. A zippered pocket at the front is a good place for quick access items and includes a key leash. There are also pockets on the shoulder strap with a cleverly gusseted design that gives you enough space for a smartphone or ID card. Large items can look a bit clunky, but it's useful for quick access as you go through airport security. The laptop compartment fits up to a 17-inch device, and a false bottom keeps your tech safe from accidental drops. The main compartment includes admin panel style organization for tech and other accessories, and unlike some other bags, filling those pockets doesn't take away space for cubes or clothing. Plus, it's structured enough that it can stand on its own even as you remove gear from the main compartment. That's great if you hate leaning your bag up against things where it can just easily fall over. It's easy to fit a weekend's worth of gear inside this 25-liter bag, but you have to buy a sternum strap separately if it starts to weigh you down. We don't typically miss it, though you might save enough with the sale price to make it worth adding. Amazon Prime Day is a great time to get deals on luggage like this carry-on from Bagsmart. They're running different discounts over 2 days, so keep checking back in if the item you want isn't on sale yet. You can save on this 20-inch expandable carry-on luggage during the sale, and it'll also help you save on baggage fees. It meets most carry-on requirements and only weighs 6.83 pounds, which is lighter than other carry-on luggage we've tested. And with a 35-liter capacity, you'll have plenty of space to pack before bumping up against weight restrictions. There's enough capacity for a 3 to 5 day trip, depending on how well you pack. And a TSA-approved lock on the side to keep the zipper from accidentally opening or people rummaging through your stuff when you're not around. If you aren't bound by tight limits, the hard side bag expands by 1.6 inches for an extra 7 liters of space, so you can squeeze in extra teas or souvenirs you couldn't resist picking up on your trip. The organization is similar to many other pieces of rolling luggage, with an open side with a zippered mesh panel on the front to hold bulky gear, and X-shaped compression straps holding your clothing or packing cubes in place on the back. On the outside, its polycarbonate shell is scratch resistant to take the bumps and knocks of travel. The extendable handle stops at 1 of 4 adjustment points, so most travelers should be able to find a comfortable height. And these swivel wheels roll smoothly and quietly to your accommodations. If you need a bag to carry to the market or use as a personal item bag instead, the updated Tote from Bellroy could be a good pick. It has handles that stay on your shoulder and organization that makes use of the roomy interior. It includes a padded pocket for a 13-inch laptop and liner pockets for an e-reader and other everyday carry gear. A round clip holds your keys so you don't have to dig for them at the bottom, and there are large drop pockets on each side for bottles, shoes, and other bulky gear. They're really large, so you'll want to pack them full. Or if you don't want to use them, built-in magnets hold them flat against the bag's side. There's plenty of space in the center for more gear and a zipper on top to keep everything dry if it starts to rain, though we struggle to close it when the bag is overstuffed. However you pack it, the rubber underneath the strap helps you keep them on your shoulder as you move throughout your day, though they can start to dig in after a while since they lack padding. Luckily, the tote shape helps it rest comfortably at your side, especially if you don't overstuff it and can zip it up. Versatility is the name of the game when it comes to gear. This gym and travel duffel from Bagsmart works well as a daily driver and for short-term travel. Its lightweight design has organization that's great for a weekly gym routine. An interior PVC pocket holds toiletries or sweaty workout gear, and there are 2 exterior pockets for your phone, wallet, and snacks. The inside includes large slip pockets for items you don't want at the bottom of the bag, like a battery bank and a notebook. And the remaining open space gives you plenty of room for shoes and a change of clothing. There are large drawstring pockets on the side for a bottle or an umbrella, and the material is lightweight and water resistant. It's also designed to fit under the seat in front of you, which makes it a great personal item bag depending on the airline that you're flying. Stash your passport and flight documents in the exterior pockets and use packing cubes to make the best use of the interior. Then you can carry it using tote handles or a removable padded shoulder strap, or you can slide the luggage pass-through over the handle of the rolling luggage as you walk to your gate. So that's what we're snagging for Amazon Prime Day this year. What are you hoping to find on sale? Share the best deals you found on gear with us and fellow travelers in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.